Hey guys, how to download Modern Warfare on PC or laptop. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you need to download Steam on your computer. How to download it? First of all, open a web browser on your laptop and search Steam link in the description. You can open the Steam website from the description. After opening the Steam website, click on Install Steam at the top, and then click on Install Steam. Steam will start downloading. Please wait. Steam downloading is completed to open download folder in your laptop or PC. This is the Steam setup. Double-click on it and click Next here. And here is the language setting. You start in a language, select it. I selected English and click the Next. Steam installation will start. Please wait. Steam installation is complete. Now open this Steam and sign in here or click on Create Account. If you have not created an account, then create an account now, and if you have created an account, sign in. After creating an account or signing in, search for Modern Warfare. Click on Modern Warfare and scroll down, click the Add to Card, and click View My Card. After that, click on Continue Payment and submit the payment here. After submitting the payment, your game will be added to the library. Go to Library and Modern Warfare, install it from here, like this.